decent on gas, but dang, should I put some money in here? I don't know. $20? $30? Faith, you should have scoot up. Scoot up. All right, y'all. I need to get some gas. I might be too poor for gas right now. Okay, I can work with that. $30 it is. You should see this footage. It's bouncy.
What, when you driving?
Yeah, it's like it's like that.
Yeah, strap look loose.
Maybe it is. What? Did I lock my door?
I'm gonna have him behind me. I'm gonna jump around so I can get footage.
Alright, I just put 25 in. It's decent. It's decent. It's enough to play, you know what I'm saying? Come on. Be for real. Ooh, what is that at the light? There's something parked. There is something at the red light. I think that's a Firebird or something. It's nice though. Y'all could probably, y'all see me? I gotta adjust this head strap because it's moving a lot on my head. I don't know why. Like, bitches, my head little. It's windy outside. My car feel like it's gonna blow away. The fuck? I hope y'all could see my cousin back there. This isn't usually the formation that we be in when we be driving, but whatever. We switching it up today. I want to see what y'all can see. Y'all see me? What you listening to in there? Be real. Bimmer. Same thing as mine, 325i. Look pretty clean too. Come on, let's go. It's your turn. Look at that Camaro. What is that? Got some stuff on there.
Yep.
Oh, there it is. We're here for a Tahoe.
Out here for my daily.
This is supposed to be an infiniti channel.
Oh shit. Damn, this might be the mirror I need. Yep. Oh shit. Just another day at the junkyard. Too much.
Alright, first thing is the blade. That's done. They had some special. Oh my god. I'm gonna buy this creeper van. Yo, what Oh my god. What the fuck? Again.
You know, I just gotta get it out.
Yeah, do a cut to the other video.
You got a water?
No, thanks. This man. Oh my god. I hope nobody needs this stuff.
What the fuck else do I need?
Dang, he took all this stuff apart. In the video or the picture, all this was still together. At least he ain't break nothing. Look like he ain't cut.
Oh, looks like he took his time. I need this mat though.
Ooh, that stuff is stuck. Ooh, that's nasty. It got crumbs all in
That's
it.
what I'm saying. It's probably all sticky and shit.
Oh, dang! The keys are still in here.
You got a key on?
Yeah. Dang, double key.
Program that shit to my shit.
Dang, man. That's crazy. Oh my god.
Yeah, y'all, I'm too cheap to have to spend money at AutoZone for light bulbs, so I come to the junkyard and steal them. Nah, JK.
Pockets ain't empty, cuz.
This one was brand new. Exactly. This one is colorway.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna see what we're gonna go look at. They got an E30 and these some BBS's. Come on, cute girls get hers.
Look at that. Got one.
I hate the BBS.
Oh.
Yeah, they took all of them except for that.
Got that green stem sticker.
They took everything. Alright, E30.
What row?
76. I knew those BBS was going to be on. Where that G? Nobody took some more stuff from me.
Dang. This how y'all do the infinity?
Somebody really needed something. A couple things.
Dang. That's probably how my axles look.
Oh my god. Oh, there it is. E30. That's the only time you'll see me in E30. Oh, it smells like that old German car.
You can't put nothing back there.
This how your trunk look. It's a automatic.
Can't see it. Yep. Oh yeah, that's crazy. Where the gas tank and a license plate? Oh, this that.
Mm-hmm. Dang, look, they must have was working on it.
Look at these fuses.
Mm-hmm. You can just see them. Well, I want this the dream right here. E30.
And this is an infinity channel.
Oh,
What are we doing here?
Glass.
That front end not bad. I don't know about the grill, but
Sound like fake.
somebody took the Beamer sign.
Snap. I can see it. I can see it. Can't see me in here? Look. They got this old.
Yeah, you better take that in the house for somebody steal your shit. Little swap.
Of course, your headlight gotta be difficult.
Got some big speakers back there pushing some big power.
What the heck? That's your extra battery?
Yeah.
What the hell?
You don't see that? That ain't my car one.
Oh,
This the car one.
I thought that was your car battery. I guess these ones.
Yeah, I told you these. Hey, y'all, I went from having no headlights. I had to use my high beams and drive around with my high beams all day. I'm a regular car again. I ain't gonna get pulled over for having my high beams on either. Turn the high beams on. Bro, that shit's the same. People was really flashing me. That shit dark as hell.
That's what I'm saying.
Somebody hit my car and cut out. So I had a hole in there. It looked like a bullet hole.
Still gotta change that.
Got the new one. Cracked mirror too. That's $5 on Amazon. That's how you save 150 bucks.
Oh my god. It's the best right here though.
When it's cold.
Oh, so it's supposed to. Oh, it is supposed to be on that side. Oh my god. Yo.
What the fuck? Oh.